Hello, guys. So, 1 year and a few months later, we're at the first revised video of the Golden Spoon. This course is the answer to all your prayers. Let's go. Let me show you how to put in mid-range, right? So, mid-range is exactly half of support and resistance. So you got support at 250 level, you got resistance at 250 level. We want to put a line in the middle of those two, exactly in the middle. So if support to mid-range is 250 points, our mid-range will be 125 points between support and resistance. So let's go right to the bottom. It's easier to work from the bottom up because you're just adding 125. So we start here at the bottom. So our first key level is on 32,000. Now we want to add 125. So we come to 32,125. Draw a horizontal line. Here's my stuff here. Here's my stuff. Okay. Draw a horizontal line, 32,125. You want to change to 2XP. Also want to change the color because you want to be able to tell the difference between a key level and a mid-range. Once that's in, you go to settings and you change coordinates. Remember, the strategy is based off precision, not 1 point over, not 1 point under. So we don't want 32,125.1. No, we want 32,125. Once we're done with that, we lock. On to the next one. Next key level, 32,250. So our mid-range is going to be 32,375. Horizontal line. Now your mid-range will be set already, the color, and it's 2XP. Settings, coordinates. There we go. We lock it in. After each point, each level, everything I teach you on the course, you lock in key levels, mid-range, zones, because that's there for life. Your chart stays like that. Next key level, 32,500. So we're adding 125, 32,625. Let go. Okay, settings, we click on the line, settings, coordinates. We in and we lock. We do this all the way to the top. So next key level, 32,750. We want 32,875. We're adding 125 points. We lock. Very important to make sure you on the exact number, not 1 point over, not 1 point under. Next key level, 33,000. We're going at 33,125. Draw a horizontal line. Click on the line, go to settings, coordinates. 125. Okay, we lock. Next key level, 33,250. We want 33,375. Okay, 33,500. We want 33,625. Horizontal line, click on the line, click on settings. Done, lock. 33,750. We want 33,875. $34,000. We want 34,125. It's much easier to work from the bottom because you're just adding. If you work from the top, you need to be subtracting 125s. It gets a little bit tricky if you went past school. So I say do it from the bottom. Much more easier. 34,250, 34,375. I can count well because I used to like money. There we go. Coordinates. If this adding 125 is hard for you, just get a calculator. Simple. As you're putting in your mid-ranges, get a calculator and just keep adding 125s. Check. Now, mid-ranges are in. I want you all to see the magic here. This is magic, guys. Key levels in, mid-ranges in. We just put lines on the chart, right? But look at the respect. Look at the respect. Look at the respect by each of these levels we put in. I'm talking touch rejections. Look at this. The key levels, the mid-range. This is magic. This is magic. But this is nothing compared to what's coming in the other videos. So, let me not linger here too much because there's some serious magic coming up in other videos. I'll catch you all there, guys. See you all in the Zone Revised videos. I'm out.